Alrighty, so this is a redo of how to play Nightfall by Liquid Vision's Part 1. In the first video I uploaded, there were a couple things I got wrong, so I'm redoing it here just to correct that. A couple things to note are that there's a couple parts in here, or a lot of parts, that are played with the delay pedal, and I don't have mine here, so I'm just going to be mimicking the sounds that would be coming out if I had it here. And then there's some parts where the guitar and bass duet, I think, is what's going on, and I've transposed the bass parts up to be played on the guitar. I think they're the same note. They should be the same notes, just higher pitched. At least when I play it against the song, it sounds like it works, you know. So yeah, those are the only things. Oh, and it starts out with some harmonic notes, which I think are the bottom two strings on the 12th fret, the bottom two strings on the 7th fret, then back to the 12th, then to the bottom two strings on the 5th fret. And then it goes into the song. Now I'll go over it slow.